You just gotta keep living, man. Livin.
Hi, my name is Simi, and welcome to my channel. Today is the 16th of September. It is my first day of school, first day of college, first day of university. Why I'm wearing a stupid style. It's kind of like a crop. You know what? You see, it's glitter. I packed my lunch yesterday. I know. I packed lunch. Like, what? I have a whole bento box and everything. Like I'm so excited to eat. Like, I'm so excited. But yeah. So anyways, I was in the shower, right? Tell me why. I turn around. I look at the shower curtain. Like, my literal peripheral vision, I see a shadow. So because of how fast it was, I didn't really think it was a spider. And it was a big shadow too. I don't know what I thought it was, but I know that I saw something. So I moved back with instant speed. I looked at where I saw the shadow in my peripheral vision. I didn't see nothing. But you know how shower curtains are, like, it's kind of like weaving. Wait, what? Shower curtains, they're like weave in or not, like they're like, you know what I mean, okay? If you shower, you know what I mean. So I was thinking if there was it, but it's obviously hiding in one of the bins. I used my quick thinking skill. I got some water, dumped it exactly where I saw the shadow. Tell me why a spider literally the size. Oh, I don't even want to think about it. Like, it was like, this is the body and then the legs. And it just crawled up. And I said, ah! So I jumped out of the shower, got my towel on, ran out the bathroom, and I called my dad. And my dad came in. And obviously he had the African broom. If you know, you know. I'll insert a picture. That is what the broom looks like. He had that in his hand. African broom like that, if you have to hit a flipping bug 2 times, it's obviously a strong bug. Because with that broom, 1 swipe is good enough. I use SheGlam, I know. What shock. I use the SheGlam. Okay then. I use the SheGlam eyebrow pencil. It's like a 2-in-1. It has the actual eyebrow pencil, and it's nice to just fill in. I'm trying to learn how to do makeup properly. That's just something I feel like I should learn. So I'm gonna just start off slow. This is the mascara I usually use. Today I'm gonna be using this one because I don't know. Put my mascara on like this because this way it's just like, it's harder to do it this way. Like, I do this way first to get the mascara off the brush onto my eyelash, and this to like even it out. I think I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like when I'm in the car. Literally any chance I get, I wear these shoes. I don't care. I love it. I haven't worn my Air Forces in so long because of these.
I gotta pray, yeah. There ain't no other way that I'd rather start my day, Cause without you I start doubting myself. And I realize I just need your help, and all I want is to get better. I tried to do what I wanted, it only left me fed up. And I used to think that it was my way or the highway. Now I know that it's not about me, it's all about Yahweh, Yahweh. I admit that I was wrong, and now I'm coming to you with my hands up, yeah. All I'm asking is that
I'm back home now from the first day of school. First day of school. Hey, first day of school. Y'all, let me try to trip out real quick. Hold on. good. Honestly, they didn't talk about too much. They just literally... There's a spider. Why are spiders trying to attack me? This morning? Now? Oh, talk. We did no work. We literally built stuff out of spaghetti. Well, I didn't do anything. I just watched. And I'm like, I honestly rather eat this spaghetti. Like, it's okay because we're trying to make friends and stuff. And I did. One friend. And it wasn't even me. She talked to me first. This is packed lunch for day 2. I have another one of these. I have literally the same thing, except instead of oranges, I have watermelon. Because the oranges were like so soft because I cooked them the night before, so I'm not doing it again. And just some more carrots, but I cut them up. It's kind of smaller so I can fit more. And in my wrap. I checked the weather. Yesterday was really hot, and then I checked the weather for today, and it's gonna be hot again. Apparently it's gonna be hot all week. So today, I'm wearing a dress. As you can see, I've been wearing my favorite outfits because I feel like since it's the first week, I should just do my best, and then from next week I can wear my sweatpants. I'm a celebrity. Get me out of here. My I am back home after day 2. I am going to give a quick little evaluation of how today went. So to be honest, the first half of today was quite amazing. I did like it. We had a 10-minute break or whatever. I had a bit of my watermelon, had a bunch of water. It was really nice, really healthy. It came to the second half of the day, and then I was just sick of it. Obviously, I had more food. I feel like when I eat food, it makes me tired, even though it's supposed to give me energy. It doesn't really do that for me. It makes me want to go to bed. So obviously in a few weeks, I'm going to be doing work. So eating all this food will be really, really helpful and will give me the energy. But the thing is, I'm eating all this food and then we're not doing anything. We're just introducing ourselves to each other. Because it's literally the first week. So it's the induction week, basically. So we're not doing much. It's really boring. They give us lots of breaks. They let us off early after each class. Like, it's just too much. What do I do between all these breaks? But obviously, in a few weeks, I'll have something to do. So I'm going to look at it on the right side. I had a little bit of an altercation. We're not going to get into that, though, just in case. But it's okay. Day 2 is over. Finally, we'll be on to day 3, and it is what it is. Good morning. Today is day 3, and it is the final day that I will be going into school. Today, my plan is to, I guess, just talk to more people. We thought it was going to be hot the whole week, and it has been, so I don't know why I'm sick, but right now it's foggy outside. Why does Ireland weather have to be so all over the place? Like, stick to one. So yesterday I had a bit of an anxiety moment. I don't want to say attack because ain't nothing attacking me. I prayed over it, and today I'm a lot more happy going in. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And if you know that Bible verse, you a real one. I'm going to get ready quite fast. I woke up with a headache, so I'm going to have to take some medicine. But, yeah. And videos on Wednesday. The canteen's almost done. Look at the ketchup and biscuits. Ew. You have to. Timothy goes to school. Oh, I hope so. Computer class, and that was the hardest thing ever. just so irritating. My teacher just, and the room was so hot as well. It was just so overwhelming. Like, I'm so tired. Water. So I never ended up doing an evaluation for the third day, but basically it was really cool. It was quite chill. It wasn't too long and it wasn't too boring. We did a little bit more. All in all though, I would say Monday was probably my favorite day because we finished at like 1 p.m. and the other days we finished kind of later in the day. Hey guys, so today me and my mom are going to pick up our new car. So I just thought I may as well record it and give you guys some extra content. I brought my makeup bag with me, so I'm just gonna do it.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun.
I never, and I mean never, do eyeliner, but today I'm gonna try to do a little something. Yeah, that did not work out because it's actually dry out.
There's hope for tomorrow with you. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Feeling far away, but I'm close to you. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man like you should lie. With you, there's hope for tomorrow. With you, there's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Walking all alone on this weary road. Heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load. Thought I could do it by myself. Guess I was wrong. Then I heard a small voice say, this time you don't need to be strong. There's hope for tomorrow with you. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Through him, with him, in him, I found my way out. And in him, I found my way out, way out. I found my way
It's your boy Mike Easy. Yeah. Oh, wow.
This is a wireless charger. It's so cool.
Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now.
Front and back. Check surroundings for safety.
High above the clouds, high above the clouds. I know
Okay, guys, so that is the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, you can cry about it. Stay tuned for more videos because even though I haven't been very consistent, I'm still going to be posting a lot of videos. It may look like I've given up, but I promise you I have not. Okay, I have a really nice vlog planned for November. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, just in case plans change or whatever. I have good stuff planned for the months ahead in the rest of 2024. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, do every single thing under the roof. Bye.